Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In Feng Shui, an ideal house floor plan should be in the shape of a square or rectangle. According to the later Heaven Bagua, a square or rectangular floor layout is considered good Feng Shui. This is because the qi or energy coming from all 8 directions are balanced, creating a harmonious environment in your house. However, not all houses are like that. There are many different types of house floor plans, and they come in different shapes, such as T shapes, L shapes, or irregular shapes. But they all have one thing in common. They all have missing areas. In Feng Shui, we call this missing corners. Missing corners could have negative effects on different family members, depending on which area is missing, because each family member represents a direction on the Bagua map. In my previous video, I have talked about the directions of each family member and how to determine the missing corners of your house using Bagua. Feel free to check it out. Before talking about the remedies for missing corners, first we need to know the directions of the 12 Chinese zodiac signs. This is a 9-quadrant chart which is derived from the later Heaven Bagua. In the Chinese zodiac, each of the 12 animal signs has a specific direction. North, south, west, and east each has one animal, whereas the 4 corners, southwest, southeast, northwest, and northeast, each corner has 2 animals. Starting from the north, the rat is located in the north. The rabbit is in the east. The horse is in the south, and the rooster is in the west. In the northeast, there are 2 animal signs, the ox and the tiger. In the southeast is the dragon and the snake. In the southwest is the goat and monkey, and in the northwest is the dog and the pig. Now, let's have a look at the remedies for the missing corners. In today's video, I'll share with you the best Feng Shui remedies for your house's missing corners using a variety of methods. Let's get started. If your house is missing an area in the north, which belongs to water element, this is not good Feng Shui for the second son of a family, because according to the later Heaven Bagua, north represents the second son. So a missing area in this direction could have negative effects upon the second son in many ways, such as his health, study, career, or relationships. A remedy for the missing north area is to place a rat symbol inside the house facing north. Since north belongs to water element, you can also hang a picture of water in this direction. The decoration color to be used in this direction should be blue or black because both colors belong to water. If your house is missing the northeast corner, which belongs to the earth element, this is not good for the third son. A remedy for this missing corner is to place a symbol of an ox or tiger in this direction. You can also place a picture or painting of mountains towards the northeast corner. The color of decoration in this direction should be brown. If your house is missing east, the direction of wood element, this is not good for the eldest son. The remedy for this missing area is to place a rabbit symbol. As east belongs to wood, you can also hang a picture of trees in this direction. The decoration color should be green in this direction. If your house is missing the southeast corner, which also belongs to wood element, a missing corner in this direction is not good for the eldest daughter. So a remedy for this missing corner is to place a symbol of a snake or dragon towards this direction. Another option is to hang a picture of plants or symbol of dragon in this direction. The decoration color in this direction should also be green. If your house is missing an area in the south, which belongs to the fire element, this is not good for the second daughter. A remedy is to place a horse symbol in this direction. As south belongs to fire, we can also hang a picture of birds in this direction as a remedy. The color of decoration should be red, purple, or pink. If your house is missing southwest corner, which belongs to earth element, this is not good for the mother of the family. Therefore, the remedy to be used is to place a symbol of a goat or monkey in this direction. As southwest belongs to earth, you can also hang a picture of a vast earth or land as a remedy. The color to be used for decoration is brown. If your house is missing an area in the west, which belongs to metal element, this is not good for the third daughter. Therefore, we can place a symbol of a rooster in this direction. You can also place a round-shaped metal bowl or plate in this direction as a remedy. The color to be used for decoration is gold, silver, or white. And finally, if your house is missing the northwest corner, which also belongs to metal element, a missing area in this direction is not good for the father of the family. As for the remedies, you can hang a picture or painting of skies in this direction, or you can place a symbol of a dog or pig towards this direction. The color of decoration should be gold, silver, or white. In this video, we've learned different ways of improving our Feng Shui environment by using the 12 Chinese zodiac animals, different pictures, paintings, colors, and shapes. In actual Feng Shui practice, there are many more Feng Shui remedies to improve your Feng Shui environment depending on your personal circumstances. If you like my videos, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified on my latest Feng Shui tips.